Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to Tailwind CSS, a utility-first CSS framework that makes it super easy to style our web project. Well, this is not the tutorial for Tailwind, but we will cover the basics and explore some of the major classes that we use frequently. So let's get started. So in the last video, we have installed Laravel Mix to manage our assets and generated the compiled and minified version of app.css and app.js. You can see I have opened my theme folder into my VS Code editor. Here in the asset folder, you can see app.css and app.js that we have generated in the last video. Now we have app.css. Now let's include this file into our projects. Now open theme.liquid, and in the head section of theme.liquid file, just add this command app.css. We need to include the Shopify filter asset URL, which means that we will this points to the asset folder, and one more filter is style sheet tag. So this will include our app.css in our folder. So now we have Tailwind CSS included. Let's start styling our div element. Let's head over to header.liquid and create a div element here. Let's write something lorem. So this will generate lorem ipsum text, and now we are going to style it. First, let's add a background color to this div element. In the class, to add background color in Tailwind CSS, write bg and then name of the color and then the shade. So shade means from lighter version of the color to the darkest version of the color. Let's make it bg blue 600. If we save it, okay, before using this, make sure that your theme watch and npx mix commands are running. Let's go to our theme folder. So right click and open this folder in your terminal and run this theme watch. So theme watch allow live. So this will keep watching our theme file, and whenever we make changes, this will update our files. So and one more time, run right click and open this in this folder in your terminal. I'm going to use different terminal and run npx mix watch. Press enter. So this will keep compiling our CSS and app.js file. So for the first time, it will take some time to compile. Now the compiling mix, it's done. Let's start styling our theme. So now we save it by Control S and go to the front end. Visit your store. Okay, so one of the issue with the development store is it is password protected. So to see the password or to change the password, go to your click here online store, and you can see here see store password. Click here and you can change the password here. So my store password is 123. I'm going to put 123 here and press enter. Let's see, our CSS is included. So now let's add some more classes. Let's add some padding. To add padding, p, write p with and then the number. So we add p4. This means it will add padding to the top, bottom, left and right. Okay, so if you want to add padding at the top, you can write pt for bottom, pb, and L and right for left and right respectively. If you add py, which means you can add padding at the top and at the bottom of your div. See, now let's change the text color. And text, to add text color, you need to write text and then the color name and then the shade. Press S. The message is here. Let's go to the front end and you can see. Now let's change the the Tailwind make it's very easy to handle typography. So if we want to change the size of this text, let's go to the front end. Let's write a smaller text and see hello world and add classes. Text 3 Excel. So this will change the size of the text. You can see, and add font semi bold. So it's bold now. So Tailwind CSS also has a great support for Flexbox and making it easy to create responsive layout. So make the element flex container. We need to use flex. So let's add flex here. And then we need to write justify center, which make the text centered, and item center. So this will make the text center and as compared to top and bottom. So let's delete this and create two divs here. Let's add the different color for these classes. BG green, like 200, and class BG green 400. Let's add some padding here and here also. Save it and let's check on the front end. Okay, let's see. So div with the class this and div with the class this. Okay, let's see what is wrong with this. Okay, we need to make sure the spelling is right. BGC green. I should write BG green. Okay, so justify center means these are centered aligned. If we use justify n, let's see, it will align to the left. And justify start, Now I want these divs I make it just by center. So I want these two divs to have 50% width. So how do we do that? To add width, write W and then 1/2, which means 50% of the container. If we press save and let's see, you can see the width is assigned here. Now let's add a gap of 10. Let's refresh again. You can see there's a space here. So this is how we change. This is how we do. Like, we can also manage the hover state here. So let's go to the front end. You can see we have BG blue color. If I delete this and we have a div with the blue color, okay, let's increase the padding here. Let's be 10. So I want, if I hover over this div, its color should be red. So how do we manage hover state? Write hover colon and your color, BG red, say 300. Save it. Let's wait for some time. It's compiled and press refresh the page. You can see if I hover over the div, it changes. Sorry. And then now we can also do the responsive design. So let's write some text here. So how do we manage responsive design? So let's go to the front end and check the padding here. So it's 10 pixel, I believe. Yeah, it's 10 pixel. No, sorry, not 10 pixel. It is, if we hover over this means it's 40 pixel from every side. So let's add some more text. We save it, go to the front end and refresh. Now you can see we have 10 pixel at the top, bottom, left and right. So let's add the responsive behavior here. So I put MD here, which means on medium devices, the padding of this div would be 40 pixel. Otherwise, on small devices, the padding would be 4. Let's save it and check. So if we go to our inspect, let's open this in the right section and click here. You can see the padding decreases. So it's now 16 pixel on small devices and medium to large. So min width for medium devices is 768 pixel. So above that the padding is 40 pixel. Otherwise the padding is 16 pixel. So this is how we manage the responsive behavior of in Tailwind CSS. So we have covered the basics of Tailwind, including like padding, background colors, typography. And if you need some more information, you can go to the Tailwind CSS official website and check the documentation here. It's not very difficult. If you have a basic understanding of how CSS works, you will easily implement this. See, you can see there's so many classes here, so many sections here for padding, for margins, for width, max width. So you will check everything here. It's easy, and we try to use most of the things from here. So this is it for this video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and like. And for more web development tutorials, keep watching and see you in the next video.